Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2479th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, October 13th, 2022. CPI report comes out tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. CPI emotions are flying all over. It's in newspapers, it's on TV, it's in the chat rooms, it's everywhere. And everyone is talking about the CPI being bullish. That the CPI is supposed to make the market go higher. Now that very well may be true. But I stick to my OMNI, and OMNI is red, and we are in an Oscarism known as an F flag, and that is bearish too. And I don't care what volatility we get when the report is finally done and the volatility is over. That should be the end result, moving down. Now, we put our stops in first. This is all about risk. We never, ever, ever trade without stops. Stops first, right? So if we are wrong, the stop knocks us out. We don't sit there chewing our nails, wishing we could get out of a trade, praying we could get out of a trade. No, we're going to plan the trade. We're going to put our entry orders in, stops in first, and if the stop gets hit, so be it. We'll live to trade another day. But I will tell you this, the OMNI is red. It's remained red for the last few days. It does not want me to get long. It wants me to sell the rallies, and I will sell the rallies in E-mini S&P. Because I never argue with OMNI. It would never make sense. I wouldn't have this crowd following me, nor the success that we've had together as a group of Omniacs if I swayed away from the OMNI, right? I just stick to the OMNI. So, OMNI says, get short, don't get scared. I'm terrified. But that doesn't mean we won't do it. So that's your E-mini S&P chart. Let's go with the NASDAQ. Same sort of condition. F flag. Oscarism F flag. Failed at the average. Drops into an F flag. The OMNI's red for trading on CPI report day this Thursday, tomorrow. I don't care. I'm going to just take our trade like OMNI says to, and away we will go. And one last chart that you should probably keep in mind, and this is probably going to be the one that sets the pace after tomorrow's report. The weekly E-mini S&P chart, weekly chart. Once again, you've seen this in many, many videos, but when you get anywhere near the 200 bar moving average on the weekly S&P, it holds and rallies. So, boom, hold, rally, 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 boom, hold, rally, 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 boom, gets through a few weeks actually, it was a month, back above, rally, 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 massive rally, back down, boom, here we are. The difference is the likelihood, and I don't know what's going to happen for sure, but because we've got a red OMNI, the likelihood is in this case we pierced that 200 bar moving average a little bit and end up on the downside. So that's the likelihood because all the information that I use is pointing towards that. Again, my stop will go in first just in case I'm wrong, but I think we're going to pierce this average and we're going to head on down after that report. After the volatility settles down after the report comes out. Sometimes you get a report and the market goes, whoa, you know what I mean? So whatever volatility we're going to see after the report, blah, 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 the OMNI says will end up lower. I am in agreement with the OMNI because that's what I do, and I'm going to put my stop in first just in case OMNI is wrong. This is your weekly bar chart on the E-mini S&P, the 200 bar moving average. Do or die week number 2, we shall see. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Please make sure you join me there. Keep your emotions out of trading. Never make emotional decisions. Remember to put your stops in first. And then say this to yourselves over and over again. And by now you should know what that is. Stops are Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember, don't let reports scare you. Place your orders. Reports give OMNIACs great fills.